Hello everybody, and welcome back to Classic Creatives Agency. I'm Agent the Singer, and in this video I am going to show you how to recharge and gift. Because if you don't recharge or gift, then how do you expect anybody to gift you? As a broadcaster, we have to invest in ourselves and show love to others if we want others to show love to us. So I'm going to show you how to recharge, how to gift. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any more of these training videos, so you can be successful on BGO Live. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, welcome back to my BGO Live room. In this video, you know I'm showing you how to gift and how to recharge. All you have to do is when you're in your favorite broadcaster's room, click on the purple circle with the gift box. Click that gift box. It shows you all the pretty gifts that you can send to your favorite broadcaster. Once you see that, you will click on the recharge button. There's a recharge button right there. You have to add your credit card or whatever card you want to use to purchase diamonds. Once you purchase those diamonds, you can click on your gift and gift your favorite broadcaster. And it's as simple as pie. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you don't miss any more of our training videos, and have a very successful life on BGO Live. Bye.